Hello everyone, my name is Rose and today I will be reviewing the newest MelodySusie Nail Drill Pen. So make sure to touch that subscribe button and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on my new video. So this is the MelodySusie newest nail drill pen. It is a little bit bigger and taller than the actual pen. And it comes with a ceramic bit for surface work, cleaning, and prepping. Also a mandrel with sanding bands for surface work, shortening, and removal. It also comes with a Type-C charger cord and the MelodySusie nail file. MelodySusie had the best nail file, guys. And it also comes with the Cuticle Oil. And here is the manual. So make sure to read this before using. And now I will show you how to use the nail drill pen. So first, choose the one nail drill bit and insert the drill bit into the handpiece. Next is press the on and off button for 2 seconds to turn it on. And then press the speed control to accelerate or decelerate the rotation speed. And then press the on and off button for 2 seconds to turn it off. And now I'm gonna show you how to charge it. So first, take off the nail drill bit, take out the cord and connect it with the DC socket. The indicator light of the handpiece shows red and flashes, which means that the nail drill needs to be charged. The indicator light of the handpiece shows green when the drill is fully charged. It only took me an hour to charge it and then it was only fully charged. And now I will be using it to clean my cuticles and remove dead skin. First, I will be using the mandrel and the sanding bands for surface work, shortening, and removal. Next is I will be using the cuticle nail pusher to push back and loosen the cuticles. Next, I will be using the cone nail drill bit for under nails, cuticles, and side walls. Next is I am using the safety bit for cuticle work and to polish the nail side edge. Next is the large barrel bit for surface work, shortening, and for dead skin around the nails. The MelodySusie PC1 Nail Drill Pen has a low vibration and low noise. It is very easy to use and it is very lightweight, providing comfortable and quiet nail care experience. So I'm gonna leave the link below on my description box so you guys can check it out, and don't forget to use my code ROSEDIY13 to get 12% off when you shop at MelodySusie official store. Using nail dust brush remover, brush off the nail to remove the nail dust, and then file and shape the nails. Brush off the nail dust and then wipe with alcohol using lint-free alcohol pad. And apply MelodySusie Cuticle Oil to moisturize your cuticle. MelodySusie Nail Drill Pen has a versatile design that makes it specially suitable for exfoliating and cleaning the cuticle, leaving your nails looking healthy and beautiful. It is a nail drill pen for everyday use. And that's it, everyone. Don't forget to check the link down below. Give me a thumbs up, subscribe, and thank you for watching.